Good morning, Team Omega. I want to give you a video of what we're doing today. And the first part of it is going to be to go to this website. I've put a link on the assignment board. And you're going to do 4 different levels here. So I'm on level 1 of 1. And the first 2 levels are pretty simple. So I'm going to zip through them because I only have 5 minutes for the videos now. So the square root of 81 is 9. Square root of 16 is 4. Square root of 1 is 1 because 1 times 1 equals 1. Square root of 144 is 12. Square root of 100 is 10. Square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 16 is 4. Square root of 121 is 11. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 64 is 8. Once you get done with the level, you need to click on this right here to go to the next level, and they get just a little bit more difficult. Square root of 228. What is the closest to the square root of 228? Well, I know that the square root of 225 is 15. So this is going to be just slightly bigger than 15. Not a lot bigger, just a little bit bigger than 15. So I'm going to go with 15.1. Again, the square root of 225 is 15. This is a little bit bigger, not a lot bigger. And it's not all the way up to 16 squared. So I'm going to go with 15.4. Complete the following statement. Use the integers that are closest to the number in the middle. Well, 15 squared is 225, and 16 squared is 256. So if I put a 15 right here and a 16 right there, then I will hopefully get the answer, and I did. Okay, this one gets a little bit backwards because I've got a negative right here. So the square root of 83 is going to be very close to the square root of 81, which is 9. But since it's negative, I need to have this be between 9 and 10. But I'm going to switch the 9 and the 10 because of the negatives. Again, I've got a negative right here, and this one is negative 212. So it's going to be between the square root of 14 and 15 because 14 is 196 and 15 is 225. So I need to have my 14 over here and my 15 over here. I've got to do them backwards because of the negative. When they get this large, you can go ahead and use a calculator and take the square root of 358, and it says that it's 18.8, and that tells me that it's between 18 and 19. So I'm going to put 18 here, 19 here. Which 2 integers is the square root of 56 between? Well, 7 squared is 49, and 8 squared is 64, and 56 falls between 49 and 64. So it's between 7 and 8. Which 2 integers is the square root of 33 between? It will be between 5 and 6 because 5 squared is 25, 6 is 36. Square root of 66 is just a little bigger than 64, which is 8. So it's going to be between 8 and 9. And 150. So 12 squared is 144. So it's bigger than 12 squared. 13 squared is 169, but it's less than 13 squared. So it's going to be between 12 and 13. And when you get finished and you finish a level and it says time to level up, I want you to hit the control button and the button right above the 6 and take a screenshot. When you do that, you'll see that right there. It says, and then copy to clipboard and then paste it into an email for me, and you will email it to me with each one of the levels that you pass. Hope you all have a wonderful day.